Hello, today we're going to install Fontawesome social media icons inside our footer area. As you can see this layout here, there's a 2 columns side by side and then 1 column underneath for the copyright. Okay, let's get started. On the file menu, go to new and create a new page with Bootstrap preview layout selected, and then create and save your page. Okay, so now if you scroll down, there's a footer here already, which is inside the container. Click on container and click on the plus in the front, and we're going to insert after and change div to footer. As soon as you type F, the code hint will come out. So just select footer and let go. And then you can open up your container, scroll all the way down. You see the very last one is footer. We want to drag this div tag inside our footer. So make sure you put it inside. So we don't need the container anymore. We can collapse this tab. Now opens up this row, and then you see there's a div tag here. And when you highlight this, you will see there's a slash line in the front, so which is have a margin applied to it. So we don't want that. So just drag it to the front, and we're gonna copy twice for this footer and duplicate. So now you have a 3 columns. Right now the very last one we want to extend all the way, and we can just delete this footer here and change to copyright to 22. Now we need to install Fontawesome library. So here there's a text file here. I will give it to you. So let's take a look. What do I have here? First of all, you see this comment here, load this Fontawesome in head section. So this is a library. You need a style sheet for the Fontawesome. So just copy this link, copy, and then go back to your page. Click on split view, you can see, and on your down panel find your head section. Click on the very last one link. We're gonna paste this library underneath your Bootstrap style sheet. Put your cursor at the end of an angle bracket and then hit enter, give it a little space and paste and save all. So now go back to your text file that I give it to you. So you read the second comment is place this social media bar where you want. So we're going to copy this div tag, copy, right click, copy, and go back to our Dreamweaver and find all the way here, right here. When you click on it, you will highlight on your COVID the end of a P tag and hit enter and paste. Save all. So now we have a very primitive non-style icon. The only thing we need to do is bring our own style to make it very nice. Go by your tag file here, and you see this is a style sheet. We're going to copy everything here. Go back to our Dreamweaver. Bring on your CSS designer panel, and then you're going to attach a new style sheet. So on the source, click on plus and create a new CSS style. So give your name my style and OK. So now you have my style here. So just click on my style here and paste and just to save all. So you will see this icon all nicely styled. The only thing you just need to apply some of a style light blue background. Go to row and dark BG. There's a blue 10 here. If you go to your CSS designer panel, you will see I have my own light blue 10%. The rest is just for the social media icon style. Okay, so another thing is go to your split view icon. You have to replace the pound sign to your social media link. Make sure you do this and then give it a target blank, so we'll open up a new tag on your browser. Okay, another thing is I have a little tiny border applied on this div tag, so you can just type in, use a Bootstrap preset style sheet, type in .bo. So there's a border right, and give a border a color .border info. Okay, and save all to preview. So that's how I do the border. So you have to apply a border top at the 3rd column, and then you'll be good to go. All right, so I see you next time. Bye.